Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the loop control. JavaScript provides full control to handle your loops and switch statement. There may be a situation when you need to come out of a loop without reaching at its bottom. There may also be a situation when you want to skip a part of your code and want to start next iteration of the loop. To handle all such situations, we can use break and continue statement. These statements are used to immediately come out of any loop or to start the next iteration of any loop, respectively. The break statement. This statement we have already seen in our switch tutorial. The break statement is used to exit a loop early, breaking out of the enclosing curly braces. So this is the simple example of break statement. Here we have declared variable x and value 1 is assigned to variable x. From here while loop is starting. While loop contains this expression x less than 20. So this code will be executed until this expression will become false. But here we have used break statement. If x is equal to 5, at that time break statement will run. So break statement will close this while loop. So this is the output. Here loop begins with 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we remove here break statement, then this loop will run until x becomes 20. So this is the simple example for break statement, which is used to come out loop immediately. Now let's discuss the continue statement. The continue statement tells the interpreter to immediately start the next iteration of the loop and skip remaining code block. When a continue statement is encountered, program flow will move to the loop, check expression immediately, and if the condition remains true, then it starts next iteration, otherwise control comes out of the loop. Let's see the example. So this is the example for continue statement. Here same way, while loop is starting. While loop contains expression x less than 10. So this statement will be executed until x becomes 10. But here we have used continue statement to skip the iteration when x becomes 5. Here if x is equal to 5, at that time continue. It means at that iteration interpreter will skip this write function and then check this expression. If the expression is still true, then it will run the code. Then the statement will be executed. Let's see the output. So this is the output. Here we have 2, 3, 4, but 5 number is skipped and it started again from 6 to 10. So here we learned that through continue statement we can skip any part of a loop, and through break statement we can end the loop at any particular condition.